Let us see in detail the electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Let plus Q be an isolated point charge situated in air at O. P is a point at a distance r from plus Q. Consider 2 points A and B at distances x and x plus ds from the point O. The potential difference between A and B is dV equals minus E into dx. The force experienced by a unit positive charge placed at A is E equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by x square. Therefore, dV equals minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square into dx. The negative sign indicates that the work is done against the electric force. V equals minus integral infinity to r into Q by 4 pi epsilon naught x square into dx. V equals minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinity to r1 by x square into dx equals Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by x, the whole of infinity to r equals Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r.